Hello. Hi. Hi, guys. I am going to attempt to put the Dirt Devil together that my mother bought me for my Christmas present. It's what I wanted, and I absolutely love it. Here's a big old box of it. Yay. See? Oh, can't see it. I really need to buy a stand for my phone. Trying to set it up on things is ridiculous. But anyways, all right. I am no good at this, so this should be rather funny. All right, here we go. I have no idea why I'm recording this. I just thought it would be funny, I guess.
Oh, it'll be funny watching.
Shut up, Ryan. All right. Jesus, they have enough steps here. All right, number 1, attach back panel of cleaner by pushing down into place. All right. Wait a minute. Where did that just go? We're off to a good start here. All right. This right here. All right. Oh, Jesus. Oh, grab it upside down. Okay, wait a minute. This is not going so well. All right. What in the holy heck? All right, wait a second. Quit it, Angel. Okay. Aha! Laid down. I'm genius. There we go. Step 1 completed. All right. Don't laugh at me, Ryan. All right. This. I guess that goes there. Okay. 3. Place handle on top of back panel. Oops. All right. Place handle onto top of back panel. Insert 1 screw into the back of the handle and tighten. Make sure the handle plug is secure. Shoot. I don't have a screwdriver. Ryan, do you know what a screwdriver is?
Nope.
Shoot. Ugh. Oh my gosh. All right, it's in there good enough. I'll find a screwdriver later. All right. Okay. Line up toolkit. What? Okay, wait a minute. Line up tool clip slots with tabs on handle. Press handle firmly until you hear a slight click. What? Where's the... I don't even know what piece that is. This? Oh, jeezy. What? Okay, these pictures suck. I don't know where the heck. Where in the holy. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Is it talking about this? Oh my gosh, it is. Okay, that took extremely too long to figure out. Wait a minute. It's not. What the heck? Oh. Oh my gosh. There. I think that's right. I don't know. Okay. Replace dirt cup by tilting back until it snaps into place.